Welcome! In front of me is a Redmi Note 14S, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, we're going to navigate to Organize tab right over here, and you want to select Manage SIM right over here. Now, by default, the contacts application will try to import contacts to the Google account because Google wants all the information that they can possibly hoover up. That would also include unwillingly sharing contacts of your friends with Google, even if they like privacy. Google doesn't care, it's going to hoover them up from you instead. That's kind of why it by default selects it. You can also see that all these contacts are deselected for me and grayed out, and the reason for that is because all these contacts actually already exist on the Google account that it defaults to right here. But if we click on the drop-down menu, I can also choose another Google account, or whatever this is. Is that a store? This could be actually a Xiaomi account, but whatever you select, yep, there we go, Xiaomi account. But whatever you select, you should or be able to import mostly all your contacts. As you can see, when I selected the Xiaomi account, I can import all of them because there is no contacts on that account. I also want to point out that it looks, at least for this device, if you have either three different ways of importing contacts, or maybe just Google account and Xiaomi account, the option for you to import contacts to your phone no longer exists. I'm pointing that out because normally you do have the option to import to your device, which would mean that you can keep locally all the contacts and not have some kind of giga corporation hoover up all the data that they possibly can. Personally, that's kind of what I prefer. I also keep my contacts on the SIM card. Obviously, that's kind of how you'd be importing them, which means that I have a safe backup of my contacts if need be. And obviously they're also on my phone, which allows me to do all the editing and all that stuff that you typically do with any kind of contact, like adding photos, date of birth, some kind of notes and stuff like that. So when they're imported to anything else than a SIM card, you can obviously change those settings. On a SIM card, you don't have that, so it's kind of a benefit of importing contacts to, for instance, your phone. But yeah, like I said, for some reason, the option isn't present here. Without any explanation why. If I were to log out of all of these accounts, I would be able to import the contacts to the device itself, but for some reason now I can't. So anyway, we can deselect contacts that we don't want, and from there click on import. Again, going back to the creepy corporation kind of thing, by default Xiaomi wants to remove your contacts from the SIM card. Don't do it. It's literally redundant to do that. These contacts never get in your way. They're a safe backup on your SIM card if need be. It's just a stupid pop-up. You should always keep your contacts. They're there for a freaking reason. And I want to point out, no other phone does this outside of Xiaomi. So Xiaomi, please stop. Now, when we go back to our contacts list, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. Right now, it's displaying all the contacts, which would include the 2 different accounts and from Google and 1 Xiaomi account. And you could click right here to choose from the options. I also want to point out that here we have one more option, which is the Virtual Mobile, which is the SIM card itself, so I can display contacts from the SIM card if I want to. But like I mentioned, contacts that are located on a SIM card are lacking in terms of editability, if that's even a word. So if you go to edit them, they will be lacking things like ability for you to add photos, notes, date of birth, and just any kind of like additional information. But in any case, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.